Good. 2. 3. 1 more each way here. Good. Let's move into our bridges. We got 5. One more. Good. 5 solid hamstring stretches each side. Straighten that leg. Starts on the ground. Exhale up. Down slow, all the way down. Slide that heel back. Good. There we go. Keep that going, Finny. One right after the next. Good. Keeping this leg nice and straight, pointing that toe back towards you. Nice. There we go. Way to get that heel all the way down. 2 more. Nice. And last one. Very nice. 5 bridges. Let's get it. Good. Driving through those heels, squeezing those glutes as high as we can. Getting up. 2. 3. Nice. 1 more. There we go. And let's get our dead bugs. Driving that low back in the ground. 90 degrees to start with those knees. Big breath in on the way out. Exhaling back. Good. 3. 4. I want you to give me 5 more bridges here, Finny. Give me 5 more bridges to round this out. Two more. Last one. Good, very nice.